Hi, and welcome to the Patriot Awning channel. Today we're diving into an important topic, why choosing an awning company that's also a licensed general contractor like Patriot Awning can make all the difference for your project. When you're planning a commercial awning or canopy project, especially for larger commercial projects, it's more than just about choosing the right style or material. If you're planning on doing this project legally, well, you'll need a permit. If you just put an awning or canopy up without pulling a permit, you could end up being forced to remove the structure. The complexity of these projects involves permits, a structural engineer, many times coordination with other trades such as electricians, mechanical or plumbing contractors. That's where being a licensed general contractor comes in. A licensed general contractor is a professional certified by the state to oversee construction projects. This certification means that they've met stringent requirements for knowledge, skills, and expertise. At Patriot Awning, we're proud to be one of only 4 awning companies in North Carolina with that distinction. We're also licensed in South Carolina, where we are one of 10 awning outfits. So why does it matter for your awning project? Well, let's break it down. Number 1, permit handling. As a general contractor, we're familiar with the permitting process, ensuring that your project complies with local regulations and avoids costly delays. Number 2, structural expertise. Larger projects often require a deep understanding of structural engineering. We use our professional engineer that is licensed in both North and South Carolina. Our team can assess your building's type of construction, occupancy load, and determine if requirements such as sprinklers are needed. 3, project coordination. Commercial projects usually involve multiple trades, from your awning company to the electricians, and even sometimes natural cast contractors. As general contractors, we manage all of these moving parts so that you don't have to. Number 4, cost efficiency. By handling everything in-house from design to construction, we streamline the process, saving you time and money. Did you know that general contractors mark up each trade on your project? Being that the cost of a large patio canopy will be the greatest cost to do your project, our trade isn't marked up by the general contractor because we are the general contractor. At Patriot Awning, we are your full-service awning manufacturer. We make all the products we sell except for retractable awnings and motorized screens. It's not just about delivering beautiful, functional awnings. We're about providing peace of mind. With our general contractor's license, you can trust that we'll handle every aspect of your project following OSHA's safety standards with professionalism and expertise. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. We really appreciate it. The love we've been shown, it all means so much. Give us a like, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a nice day.